Hi, I'm Ellen Wolf, Professor of Physics at the Cooper Union.
And I'm Eric Lima, Associate Professor at Cooper Union.
So we created Invention Factory at the Cooper Union last summer. We took 20 of our brightest students, and we have very bright students, and we locked them in a room for 6 weeks. We fed them, we caffeinated them, we gave them 3D printers, laser cutters, and access to a machine shop. We created an environment in which there were no distractions from an intensive process of inventing, making prototypes, and refining their designs. Each week we subjected them to critiques, often withering critiques, by a panel of invited guests that included engineers, lawyers, business people, fellow students.
So Invention Factory wasn't a program in entrepreneurship, it was a program in building. And that meant that we didn't want abstract products like business plans. What we wanted them to do is build prototypes, prototype after prototype, addressing real problems, and hopefully low tech, if we could get it. Whatever the students produced, they owned 100% of their IP. They actually produced a provisional patent application. And in the end, we took the best 4 inventions and we made a professional video. In fact, my wife, Lisa Kwan, directed and produced that video. So it was a good thing we did because one of the videos went viral and we had 3.5 million views, which was so exciting. We didn't know actually what to do with it. So we're going to show you the video and then we're going to introduce you to 2 students.
Hello, my name is Henry Wong, and I'm a junior mechanical engineer at Cooper Union.
And I'm Chris Curo, a junior electrical engineer at Cooper Union.
And we're here to revolutionize the cardboard packing industry with our invention, the rapid packing container.
Every year, 100 billion cardboard boxes are produced in the United States. Although you might not realize it, traditional cardboard boxes are wasteful, hard to open, and difficult to pack.
The rapid packing container is more environmentally friendly, quicker to pack, and easier to open, store, and recycle. All of these benefits become clear when you experience a day in the life of a rapid packing container.
From a manufacturing perspective, our product is cheaper and less wasteful because a single rapid packing container uses 15 to 20% less cardboard. That's millions of trees a year.
The real beauty of our design is clear at assembly. It's faster and easier to put together compared to the traditional cardboard box. For example, a shipping specialist pulls an unfolded box off a shelf and presses it into the rapid folding jig, folding the box instantly with virtually no effort.
Instead of applying a tape layer, the specialist removes a wax strip revealing a recyclable adhesive and folds the top of the box down to seal the container. So we save time and reduce waste.
Now, ready to ship? The rapid packing container is sent off to the customer.
The customer opens their package by pressing down on the top portion of the box. This pops the box open, which will now lie relatively flat in front of them.
The rapid packing container is more convenient when opening for 2 reasons. There's no need to lift the contents out of the box, and no need to cut the tape.
Finally, when it comes to storage and recycling, the rapid packing container is far more convenient than traditional cardboard boxes.
The rapid packing container breaks down by itself for easy storage or recycling. Our product has the additional benefit of being fully reversible, so the user will have a label-free box ready to reuse.
So there you have it. The rapid packing container uses less cardboard, is quicker to pack, and is easier to open, to store, and to recycle. The rapid packing container is simply a better box.
Our next steps are to obtain a patent and to secure manufacturing partners for the rapid packing container and the rapid folding jig. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we believe our video was a great introduction to the rapid packing container, and we'd just like to share with you now a little bit about the narrative, the backstory to the invention of the rapid packing container. leading up to the start of the Invention Factory program at Cooper Union, I tried to focus on products, on objects, on items I interacted with on a daily basis. And I tried to take a look and be very self-conscious and self-aware of my interactions with these products. And I tried to find serious user experience issues with these things that I interacted with. And what I quickly noticed was that every time I received a package, be it from Amazon or somewhere else, I noticed that I always needed to have a box cutter or a pocket knife, or if I didn't have either of those, I would need to use my keys to open the box. And it's just a bit of a pain. And so I thought to myself, well, what if we could do this with a tool-free method? What if we could make a box where you could open it just with your hands? And so Henry and I set out to do that together, and I think we accomplished it.
So what really led to the quick development cycle of the rapid packing container was our focus on the rapid prototyping methodology. Our basic routine would go something like this during the 6-week Invention Factory program. We would have an outline of the box created in our professional CAD software. We would then send this outline over to our laser cutter, load a fresh sheet of cardboard into the laser cutter, press play, and a few minutes later, after the laser jets around, burning out the outline of the cardboard container, we would have a completed box. We would then fold it up, toss it around, pass it back and forth, really find all the little things that made this version of the box special. And then we would go right back into our professional CAD software, make some little changes, and do it all over again. So in the span of 15 minutes, say, we would already be looking at 2 different kinds of prototypes. And this really enabled us to really move the rapid packing container forward very quickly. And it kind of led to what we have today. After the videos were produced, we knew that we kind of wanted to get it out there to everybody. And we kind of thought to ourselves what the best way to do that would be. So I remember the day I went home for Christmas break, I submitted the link to YouTube. And much to our surprise, it got very popular very quickly. I think by the time I was at the airport 2 hours later, ready to get on my plane, it was the #1 link on the website. And then 24 hours later, it was the #1 link on YouTube's front page. And that's when the view count really skyrocketed. It's pretty amazing to me that in just 24 hours, over 1 million different people saw our video.
The result of the popularity of the video was actually kind of crazy. You know, we invented the rapid packing container really with no plans for a business going forward. It was something we had thought of, but we didn't really think concretely about it. And just following the popularity of the video for weeks, every day, all day, we were receiving emails from these large cardboard box manufacturers, from these humongous household names, these fulfillment industries. And everybody just wanted to make the box, everybody wanted to ship with the box, and it was really incredible and really exciting. And I just want to tell you now, I want to assure you that Henry and I are both working as quickly as we can and as hard as we can to ensure that the rapid packing container gets out into the hands of people like you everywhere. And we really hope that sometime soon you'll be opening rapid packing containers.